Hi, I am Ismail from Pell Lemon, and today we are going to be talking about entities. Entities are one of the most misunderstood SEO concepts. You've probably heard people say Google doesn't rank keywords anymore, it understands entities. But what does that actually mean? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Originally, search engines worked mainly through keyword mapping. If someone searched for quote unquote best running shoes, Google looked for pages that repeated the phrase best running shoes. SEO was mostly about matching keywords, but that system had a problem. It didn't understand meaning. Now, searching Apple Store near me is this a fruit shop or is this a tech store? Apple Store now can mean two different things. So there's a bit of ambiguity there. So looking at this example, if someone searches for Apple Store near me, are they looking for the fruit or are they looking for the tech company? A keyword only system struggles with this because it sees the word Apple, it doesn't understand the thing behind the word. That thing is what we call an entity. Now, what is an entity? An entity is simply a clearly defined thing that exists. It could be a person, a company, a city, a product, even a concept. The key difference is this: an entity is not just a word, it's something with identity. A keyword is just text, an entity is text with meaning attached to it. Take the word Paris. Is it the capital of France, someone's name, a historical figure? Google now tries to understand which Paris you mean. That's entity based search. Modern Google doesn't just scan for repeated words, it tries to understand what is this page actually about, which entities are mentioned, and how are they related. For example, if your page mentions marathon training, running shoes, hydration, pace strategy, Google connects those related entities and understands the topic. It sees context. Now, why does this matter for SEO? This changes SEO completely. Instead of repeating a keyword 20 times, you now need to cover the topic fully, mention related entities, and show depth and connections. Google is no longer matching strings of text, it's building understanding. A weak SEO page repeats best coffee machines over and over. A strong SEO page discusses espresso, pressure bars, grinder types, brewing temperature. Those related entities tell Google that this page truly understands coffee machines. That is entity optimization. So if we go back to the Apple example, if your page is talking about other fruits like strawberries, raspberries, Google will make the inference that this is not to show up when people are searching for an iPhone. But then, if another page mentions iPhone, Samsung, 5G, internet, then Google knows where to place that page. If you remember one thing from this lesson, remember this: stop writing for keywords and start writing for meaning. If you explain a topic properly, the right entities naturally appear and Google understands your page better. Entities are simply defined things with meaning. Keywords are just text. Modern SEO is no longer about repeating words, it's about helping Google understand the meaning behind them. So it's not just enough to try and stuff all your keywords into the content. Nowadays, you have to take the extra step to explain and show a depth of knowledge and professionalism around what you are optimizing for. That way, Google will not only understand what you are trying to say, it will reward you for being so in depth with your content and rank you highly. If you found this lesson to be knowledgeable for you, if you found this lesson to be useful for you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.